Tonight for dinner was chicken and wild rice soup, and man, it came out so delicious. It's super simple to make. Definitely going to be making this one again. Let me show you guys how I make it. To start off, just season up some chicken breast with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Kinder's buttery garlic and herb. Then add some avocado oil to your Dutch oven. Throw in your chicken breasts and then pull those off once they're done. Throw in a tablespoon of butter and then throw in your diced carrots, celery, and onion. And then go ahead and get those brown bits off the bottom. Then throw in some garlic. Season up those vegetables with some salt and pepper as well. Then you're going to throw in 3 tablespoons of butter, a 1/4 cup of flour. Go ahead and cook that down so where you get the flour taste out. And then slowly add in 4 cups of chicken broth and then 2 cups of heavy cream. Then we're going to add in 2 of these long grain and wild rice packets from Rice-A-Broni. Make sure you add the seasoning as well. And then after that, go ahead and mix it up. Bring it to a boil and then cover and put it to a simmer. Then let it cool and thicken. Man, this was super good. Definitely going to be making it again. Follow me for more.